Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Real Man on guitar using an easy method. We'll start by mastering 3 fundamental open chords: G major, C major, and D major. These are the building blocks for many songs, including this one. Practice transitioning smoothly between them, ensuring each note rings out clearly. Aim for about 60 to 90 seconds of sustained, clean strumming for each chord before switching. This foundational practice is crucial for developing muscle memory and a clean sound. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern for Real Man. We'll use a straightforward down-down, up-up, down motion. Focus on keeping your strumming hand relaxed and maintaining a consistent rhythm. Start very slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase your tempo as you become more comfortable. This pattern provides a solid foundation for the song's feel. Remember, consistency is key to making it sound great, so take your time and enjoy the process. Now, let's put it all together with the main chord progression. For Real Man, the core sequence is G major, followed by C major, then D major, and finally returning to G major. Practice this loop repeatedly, perhaps 4 to 8 times in a row to build fluidity. Using a metronome set at a comfortable pace, like 80 beats per minute, will greatly improve your timing and rhythm. This repetition helps solidify the transitions and makes the song feel natural. To truly master Real Man, consistent practice is your best friend. Try to dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to playing these chords and the strumming pattern. Also, listen to the original song frequently to internalize its rhythm and overall feel. Don't get discouraged by mistakes. They are a natural and valuable part of the learning process. With patience and persistence, you'll be playing Real Man confidently in no time, enjoying every note you play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.